Magical Entertainer Vincent here, with Space and Earth cards. Now, with a wave of the hand, we can summon an alien. Aliens seen around the world, turning up in many places. Same tiny creatures, but most with different faces. There's a green alien. And they come and they go. Or maybe we can summon another one. Oh, there's a yellow alien. They come and they go. Jeez, I wonder if there's any more left. Oh, there's one. A purple alien. That doesn't look nice. Now, you have to admit, this makes no sense. If these aliens had green cards, there's no evidence. A wave of my hand, and perhaps they do. Green cards for you, you, and you, and you. But, say a phrase, 4 words you see, we'll send them home quite hastily. These words, quite simple, are to be: remember the alien autopsy.